you're going to learn a 16-beat body percussion pattern. We're going to do 4 beats at a time, so slowly you can get to the whole piece. So we're going to start with our shoulders. You're going to have shoulder, 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 and then you're going to tap the backs of your hands together like this. So they're going to touch together. They're not going to be super loud. And then snap. Okay, let's try it one more time. Shoulder, 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 backs of the hand and snap. One more time. Shoulder, 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 backs of the hands and snap. One more time. T, 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 ta, ta. One more time. T, 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 ta, ta. Fantastic. All right, I'm going to count to 4 and then we're going to try it one more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the next rhythm section, we're going to start with a stomp. Again, we're just going to do 4 beats. So you're going to have stomp, stomp, tap, tap, stomp, stomp, and clap. Super easy. Let's try it again. Stomping first. Here we go. Stomp, stomp, tap, tap, stomp, stomp, clap. One more time. Here we go. Stomp, stomp, tap, tap, stomp, stomp, clap. One more time. Stomp, stomp, tap, tap, stomp, stomp, clap. One last time. Stomp, stomp, tap, tap, stomp, stomp, clap. Fantastic. So we have our 4 beats. Let's add the first 4 beats and the last 4 beats together. So we're going to start from the top. We're going to do it slowly and then we'll speed it up. Shoulder, 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 back of the hands and snap. Stomp, stomp, tap, tap, stomp, stomp, clap. All right, let's do it again from the top. Shoulder, 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 back of the hands and snap. Stomp, stomp, tap, stomp, stomp, clap. Let's do it again a little bit faster. Here we go. Lovely. So far we learned 8 beats, so we only have 8 left. Let's learn the next 4 beats. We're going to start with the stomp one more time. This one only has stomps and claps. Listen first and then you can try it. Stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, clap. Ready? Here we go. Stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, clap. One more time. Stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, clap. One more time. Stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, clap. Let's try it one more time, a little bit faster this time. Stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap. I think we got this pattern. So what I say we do is we bring all the beats we know so far together, all the way from the top. All right? Starting with our shoulders. And we'll go slow, don't worry. Shoulder, 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 back, and stop. Stop, 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 clap, stop, stop, clap. We got it. Let's try one more time from the very top, from the shoulders. Ready? Go. Shoulder, 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 back, and snap. Stomp, tap, stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp. Fantastic, you're doing so well. All right, we're gonna try this one more time, but a little bit faster, all the way from the top. Just the 12 beats. Here we go. Shoulder, 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 back, and snap. Stomp, stomp, tap, stomp, stomp, stomp. This time we're gonna try it super fast Ferrari speed. Ready? Here we go. Alright, that was so fast. I almost got lost there. And we only have 4 beats left. Let's learn the last 4 beats together. This pattern I find really easy to remember because we start from the top and then we bring it down. So we're going to start with the shoulders, then tap on our lap, and then a stomp and a clap. Okay? Listen, and then you can try with me. shoulder, shoulder, tap, tap, stomp, stomp, clap. Should we try it together? All right, starting from the shoulders. Here we go. Shoulder, shoulder, tap, tap, stomp, stomp, clap. Great, let's try it one more time. Shoulder, shoulder, tap, tap, stomp, stomp, and clap. One more time, a little bit faster. Here we go. Shoulder, shoulder, tap, tap, stomp, stomp, clap. One more time. Here we go. Shoulder, shoulder, tap, tap, stomp, stomp. All right. And for our last step, we're going to combine all the 16 beats together, all the patterns that we learned, starting from the very top. And don't worry, we'll go really slow. From the beginning. Shoulder, 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 back, and snap. Snap, snap, tap, snap, snap, clap. Snap, clap, clap, snap, clap, clap. Shoulder, shoulder, tap, tap, stomp, stomp, clap. Was that too fast? Too slow? Let's try it one more time. Tiny bit faster. Here we go. Shoulder, 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 back, and snap. Snap, snap, tap, tap, snap, snap, clap. Snap, clap, clap, snap, clap. Shoulder, shoulder, tap. Okay. This is such great exercise. I feel like I'm dancing. And boys and girls, let's try all the 16 beats together from the top, starting from the shoulders. Here we go. And again, here we go. And one more time, here we go. And you're all finished. Fantastic. Bye-bye. See you next time.